Happy birthday, Sis Erica Anavi Wong Ramones, from Blanza family. Wishing you a good health. Bigyan ka lagi ng malakas na katawan at magiging successful. Lalago pa ang iyong bahay, kumita para marami ka pa pong matulungan. Happy birthday from Blanza family. We love you po. Love you. God bless. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, my sis Erica. God bless.